Go over the results of how well that video performed. Okay, so how do you get to that particular results page with videos? Well, this is the homepage of this particular sailing club. What we're going to do is we're going to click on Insights, and then we're going to go to the actual post. And it's going to show here all my posts. And we're going to see here that my latest post was yesterday around 6 o'clock. And so far it reached 3,000.2 people. And it got an engagement of 248. That number is a very, very good indication that this particular video did very well. So let's click on it and try to go in it a little bit more and see further detail. So what we can see here is that this particular video was viewed on an average of 9 seconds. The total minutes viewed were 396. And if we go and look at audience retention, we'd see exactly where it was that people, at what point people continue, and then at what point people dropped off. So here we'd see that this was a 52-second video length. And if we click here, we can see exactly at what point we start having people drop off. Nice thing about Facebook, they provide this followers and others, so we can see our followers, how many watched and how many were others, people who are not following your page. So we got a nice mix of close to half and half, 54 followers and 54% followers and 45% others. However, they started to pretty much at the same time dwindle in their attention. Here we can also click and see how many people clicked to play, and we had a good number of people clicking. So what that means, click to play, is that they clicked to actually watch the video versus it was automatically playing and they just caught it. And as you can see here, the click to play was a little higher than, obviously if you're clicking to watch something, it's because you have an intention to watch versus you're just passively, watching, I guess. So that's a really good metric that Facebook provides. Okay, now we go to the post and we can see here a little bit more detail. How many people it reached, 3,211, not bad. We got 1,320, 12 video views. And then the engagement here shows you how many people liked it and how many people shared it. And then here, the post clicks. This is how many people clicked to play, which we saw the number earlier. And then here is other clicks. This could be to your title of your video, it could be to other maybe hashtags or your call to action as well. So if you want to look a little bit more, you can go to here and we can see that this particular, which is another part of the club itself, shared it, and we can look at the results. They got a little bit smaller number of video views, but nevertheless, they got engagement and their average time was 10 seconds.